Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing. If y'all are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie, where I like to do unboxings as well as tutorials and makeup reviews. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, show your girl some love. And if you guys are interested in learning what items I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. Your girl is back with another Boxycharm unboxing. I know what you're thinking, it's already the end of the month, but I was just like, what the hell, why not? You know, I haven't made a video in a minute, so I want to say hi to you guys because I missed you and everything like that. So I'm just going to do a video anyways. So this month's box theme is Super Gloom, and the first item in the box that I'm going to talk about is from Skin Inc. This is their Skin Glow Filter. This is what she looks like. Very cute. It's pretty much a serum glow filter, blending beauty and technology in one little bottle. What this does is it's going to pretty much hydrate you with gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc's two best-selling serums, which is niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And it says that it gives you a filter in real life. Perfect for everyday use, or you can also use it under your makeup. That's gonna help hydrate, and it also helps with texture and your pores. And red skin tone. Sorry, that took me a minute. But yeah, so far I like it. I think I've used it like once or twice, so I'm gonna have to keep on trying that. Oh, but she also retails for a hefty $50, which is pretty pricey if you ask me, but I mean, if you have the money to spend, go right ahead. So the next item in the box is from Glow Oasis, and this is their Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. I've actually enjoyed using this a lot. I've been using it every night. To me, it kind of smells like cinnamon, which is probably not accurate, but to me, that's what it smells like. It's a very nice consistency, very moisturizing, and let me go ahead and talk about it for a minute. So give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. This is a moisturizing toner, and it's a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and Circa extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. This is also vegan, and it's supposed to help with texture and tone. She is $34, so I think that's pretty reasonable. But yeah, I like the smell of it. I just pour it on a cotton ball and then use it on my face, and then that's pretty much it. All right, moving on to the next item in the box, which is gonna be from Item Beauty by Addison Rae. And honestly, I've used a few of her products, and every product I feel that I've used, I've really liked. I did the lip oil, as well as her mascara is very nice. Fortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this one because it is a concealer, but unfortunately, the shade that they sent me is way too dark for your girl. Like, if anything, I can probably use this to contour or something. But anyways, this is what she looks like, and it's pretty much medium to full coverage concealer. It's very lightweight, it's made with papaya fruit, and it has a lot of antioxidants in it, such as vitamin C, and pretty much gives you a seamless finish. And this is for $18, which I think is pretty reasonable. $18 is pretty good considering concealers right now are going for $30. So I'm gonna have to mix this with a lighter concealer or a lighter something else to make it not as dark, so I'll keep you guys updated on that one. All right, the next item in the box is gonna be from Cab Cosmetics. It is a lip oil duo. This is what it looks like. Sorry, this one's kind of like gross, so I don't really want to show you the top of it. I've been using it, obviously. And then this is the other one. This is what they look like. I guess these are new flavors for them. This is lemon and then lime. And I've actually used this product before because they sent me a lip oil in one of my other boxes, and I really enjoy it. I think the one I had before smelled like coconut and it was blue. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I liked it. This is just non-sticky instant burst of hydration, and it's supposed to be very comfortable on the lips and give you juicy lips all day long, which it does. So what I like to do is obviously carry one around with me in my purse, and then the other one I keep at nighttime, and like right before I go to sleep, I'll usually put this on to keep my lips nice and moisturized throughout the night. And the duo is $39 just because it comes with two, but I think that's pretty good, and I feel like you can't really go wrong with lip oil. And they're super trendy right now. I feel like everybody's coming out with lip oils. Okay, and the last item in the box is gonna be from Basic Beauty. This is just an eyeshadow primer. It goes on the eyelid, primer base for front. Sorry, I'm all tongue-tied. This is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maxify color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. And I haven't used it yet, but I do like the formula. It feels very nice. I feel like it's one of those formulas that just kind of like blends into the skin and helps with creasing. It's very soft, so I feel like this is going to be a good eyeshadow primer. No scent really, which I like because I don't like fragrance really on my face. And she is $18, which is pretty good. And those are all of the items in May's box. So let me do some calculations for you guys like I always do. All right, so the first item is $50, 34, 18, 39, and 18. My phone's a little dirty. Just a second. Oh my gosh. Okay, for a total of $159. Can you even see that? Okay, yeah, $159. And oh, I forgot to tell you guys that the price in the box did go up a little bit. I believe now, I think mine is around $30 now. So it did go up a little bit, but still it's $159 versus $30. I still came up on a profit. In my mind anyways, I think I did. All right guys, and that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if y'all haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel, show her some love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.